is probably one of the most popular budget-friendly gels that can be found in most countries. I asked on my Instagram stories, and this was probably one of the most recommended ones, so today we'll be testing this out. I also got some others, but the people have spoken. You guys wanted to see this one first, so here goes. And if that wasn't enough, today I'm also going to style my hair with the brush that I used in my last video because I want to determine what it was that gave me such chunky waves. I am back from my shower. I shampooed and conditioned with these products from Naughty to kind of stick with the affordable theme. That's why I chose those products today. And for leave-in, I'm just using a sample that my friend sent me of the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in. I just went to the bathroom to scrunch in some more water into my hair. We are now dripping wet. This gel feels very thick, so if you're going to use this gel, you'd probably be best using it in the shower, not like I'm doing out of the shower. Because you really need water to emulsify it, or at least in the bathroom, so that you can add water with the tap. Here's how it's looking so far. My clumps look nice. I've got a little bit of frizz here and there, but normal amount for me, I think. I'm now going to just remove a little bit of the excess with my towel. I'm now going to leave my hair up in my towel like this for about 10 to 20 minutes. Something common that I did see being said about this gel is that it can be a bit drying and it can cause frizz. So I think that's my only concern really with this gel. So if you were going to use it, I think you'd need to make sure that your conditioner and leave-in are very rich and hydrating to counteract the frizz that the gel could potentially cause. It's been about 20 minutes, so let's take this down. Okay. I don't know how much of this gel is too much and how much is enough. So I don't want to go overboard. I do have a bowl of water with me to wet my hands so that I can emulsify the gel in my hands. Wow, my hair I feel like is already looking super promising when wet. Usually my hair doesn't look this defined when wet, so I have high hopes. I'm excited. I'm gonna go and diffuse this now and I'll be back to show you the finished results. Okay, I had some expectations. These were not it. So I do have a little bit of a cast, but I was expecting my cast to be much stronger than it is. I feel like some areas, like here, are a bit fluffy. My hair does feel a bit dry. I'm going to scrunch it out with a couple drops of oil. I'm quite happy with my results today. I was expecting a little bit more definition than what I did get, but I mean, it's not bad, I'll take it. I feel like on the camera you can't really appreciate the frizz. It's mostly like in this area. I will check back in tomorrow and possibly the day after to show you how it's looking. I'm hoping that my definition doesn't drop too much, but I am expecting more frizz as the days go on, judging by how it's looking now. I'm looking forward to carry on playing around with this gel. I think I'll maybe get better results when I style my hair in the shower like I usually do. I do think that maybe styling outside the shower did kind of throw my hair off a little bit. As for my experimentation with the brush, this did not give me the chunky clumps that I had in my last video. I also think that maybe this gel will work better if I use really moisturizing products. Make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss me trying out some more budget-friendly options. And if you want to see what contributed to these results, then check out this video. Bye, see you next time.